Mm, Hello everyone. I currently read a book which named A Mind for Numbers, how how to excel at math and science. And it's about how to learn anything. It doesn't matter is it a math or languages. Yeah. And one of the chapters describe an intrinsic feature that we should proceed in our learning process. It's about building habits. Yeah, and one of the worst habits in the world is procrastination. Yeah, it's about our way of thinking. We tended to do something which are pleasure to us, and it distracts us from main activities. So the ways which we should lead yourself is like 4 steps. First of them is cue, for example, a place or something where we should um, start our activity. Is like set our actions. Yeah, at least for me, wake up in the morning, a cue is an alarm. Yeah, and maybe the main cue which distracts me from main activity is my phone when messages came in it, and when it starts to ring and so on. Second stage is about let me recollect it. I'm not sure. Probably it's about don't remember. But why I decided to record this video. The main point, when you learn something, you should recollect it after a short period of time when you have read something or learned it. So that's the reason. Third stage is about reward. After some activity, we should get yourself some reward. Maybe it could be a piece of chocolate, or just check your emails if you like it, and it's supposed to be your reward. And fourth, the major point, it's you should believe in yourself, believe in what we are doing currently, and set contrast in our mind. Picture yourself as a better life. Compare it with your today's and your brightful tomorrows. In this way, we should think about things. And I can't recollect second point. Is it about routine? We should set our activity habitually. We should do it day by day, and without thinking further, just start. Yeah, I remember. The main point, if you do something, it's not a product, it's not a result, it's a process. So it doesn't matter are you succeeding or you just fail, because without failures we can't reach our success, and all time which we have, which we should exploit, it's should be with failures. So the second point, it's said that the main point of your activity is just process. You shouldn't be distracted by some other activities. And one of the help of waves in this, you should use a technique which named Pomodoro, invented in 1980s by some Italian professor, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, just I don't want to explain this technique maybe in another video, but if you're interested in it, you could look it up about this technique. So yeah, and I hope it was helpful, and I will leave a description about the book below this video. So take care, bye for now.